Sophia. Open the box with our mommy.
Hi guys, so I know this is a little broken up, Sophia's excitement of getting the Sophia the first doll out, but it says, in her pretty secret garden with a beautiful view, Princess Sophia is ready for a party. All she needs is you. Hey everyone, so now we just need to take Sophia the first out of the box. So here is the box.
I'm so stuck.
She is so stuck. So first we're going to, it looks like these are much easier than when I was a kid. So first we need to cut some of the elastics. So we're going to do that right now. We'll kind of cut up through this. Okay. Oh my. Hey everyone. So I don't know if you can.
Side. What's my hand? No. This one.
Open it and so.
Take that and on the wall. This is still.
Our feet are attached to our body. Yeah.
I have. But I asked her no. Because she got it.
She got it. Can you tell everybody what we use our meditation bottle for?
For when we get mad.
There. Okay.
Don't forget to click on the subscribe and come back soon. Everybody, let's time to play. Woo!
Below, if you would like to learn more about this very simple meditation bottle that makes you feel calm and